2017 Chevy Camaro V6. That's what it sounds like before. It is quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels. 91. You see I'm hugging that X pipe? We're gonna put that X pipe on. And the Flow FX axle back right there. We're gonna put this Flow FX axle back he got from Holly on this beautiful beast. All right guys, 2017 Camaro V6. So we showed you what it sounded like before. And this is what we've done to it. Factory converter, factory secondary converters there. We took the resonator out, added an X pipe. There's the resonator right there. So we took that out, put an X pipe in its place to clean up the sound. There was two valves, you see them right there? Zoom today. See those valves in the spring-loaded ones? Right there. We took them out also to refine the sound. And then he brought his old Flow FX system right there, axle back. There and there with the black tips roll right there. We installed 4 of them and took out this massive muffler that comes on these. Look at that. That sucker is massive. We took it off, took off the tips. There's the resonator. There's the valves I was talking about. That's what they look like on the inside if you guys can't see. See how they open? Open. Anyways, that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you're ever in the area, come on down and say hello. 2016 Chevy Camaro 3.5 RS. There it is, nice and black, all murdered out. Really nice car. Got factory converter. Then flex pipe right there. If you guys ever wonder what that was, that's a flex pipe. And then it wires into usually a resonator. We cut it up, put 2 high flow cats. It comes with 2 regular cats on it. And we took it out and put 2 high flows in their place right there. Then also added an X pipe right there. And then 2 DYNOMAX race bullets, 24249. 24249. That's from memory. So the link there'll be a link in the description for the X pipe and the DYNOMAX race bullets. Right there, and then it's got 2.5 out the back. We completed it with 2.5 on each side there and there, into 4.5-inch black roll tips to complete the look. Look at that. There'll be a link in the description for them to complete the murdered look, all black, as you guys can see. We cut off all these contraptions that were on it, cleaned it up. Just an old system, we cut it off and cleaned it up for them and added an X pipe. All right, so, and the DYNOMAX air blower. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. If you're ever in the area, come hit us up and say hello. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's the quality, man. You gotta have the right quality. Sound decibels. Go ahead. Not bad at all. That sounds really nice. It's clean. Let you guys hear on these. Chevy Camaro V6. lot cleaner. Those DYNOMAX and X pipes make it sound so much better. Here's sound decibels. Again. It hit 113 earlier, guys. There it is, 114. Again. 115. Wow. Still sounds good though. No more rasp. You see how we cleaned it up?
Yeah.
Isn't that idle?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Yes? Alright. My homie approves.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chevy Camaro RS. That's so much cleaner. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Flow FX, X-Pipe, 17 Camaro V6. Sounds phenomenal. I like it. It sounds like a V8. Yeah, it sounds phenomenal. Oh, it sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. Be smoke. Chevy Camaro, True Dual, High Flow Cats. X-Pipe, DYNOMAX Mini Bullets, 24-249s, rear delete, 4.5-inch black tips. Oh, it sounds so good. Wow, he's mowed out of a V6, guys. You can still hear it. That is clean. That's a nice setup.